Alright, let's take a look at number 5. So number 5 asks for this derivative evaluated at 2. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the derivative. So we're going to do our work down here. So we've got f prime of x equals, so I'm going to have a chain rule for this first piece. So I'm going to bring the 3/2 out front times something to the 1/2. Alright, so multiply by the exponent, lower the exponent by 1. Sorry about that. And then we evaluate it at the inside, so the x minus 1, times the derivative of that inside, which is a 1. Alright, so that covers the first piece. Then we have plus, and now we're going to do the same thing on the second. I'm going to rethink that though, and I'm going to think of that as a 1/2 e to the x minus 2. Alright, so we have 1/2 e to the something times the derivative of that something. The something is x minus 2. The derivative of that is a 1. So I end up at 3/2 times x minus 1 to the 1/2 plus 1/2 e to the x minus 2. Now they specifically want f prime of 2, so I've got 3/2 times 2 minus 1 to the 1/2 plus 1/2 e to the 0. Alright, so 1 to the 1/2 is 1, so I've got 3/2 for that first piece. And then I've got 1/2 times 1, which should be a 1/2 for the second piece. That's going to be 4/2, which is 2. So your correct answer on this one is C, which is 2. Alright, taking a look to the next one that you asked about, which is number 9. Alright, number 9, we've got f of x equals that. Find f prime of x. So f of x equals x square root of 2x minus 3. So I'm going to deal with this as a product rule first. So I've got first, which is x, d second, so 1 over 2 root 2x minus 3. Alright, derivative of the outside is 1 over 2 square root. Evaluated at the inside, then we multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is a 2. Alright, plus second, d first, which is a 1. Alright, so if I start cleaning this up, I'm going to reduce these 2's. Alright, so I've got x over the square root of 2x minus 3 plus, and then I have square root of 2x minus 3. Alright, but it looks like all my answer choices are one fraction, so I'm going to multiply this by root 2x minus 3 over root 2x minus 3. So if I do that, the first piece is x over square root 2x minus 3 plus, then I'm going to have a 2x minus 3 in the top and a root 2x minus 3 in the bottom. Alright, so if I push those together, that's 3x minus 3 over square root of 2x minus 3. Alright, so now we come back and we check for that one. So 3x minus 3 over a square root, so that's going to be this first choice here, which is A. Alright, so 9 is going to be A. And again, we did have a chain rule there, but we also had a product rule on the first part. Alright, hope that helped.